Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover modern command bar and actions in Power App Canvas app. Now go back to our system. Let's start by exploring the Power App interface. The first thing you will notice is the area at the top right. This section has two main parts of the command bar and actions. The option in the bar change depending on what is selected in the app. On the left hand side, in the tree view, you can see that the screen is currently selected. So based on that selection, we see the action related to the screen. So from here, we can insert inside the screen. We can add a new screen from this section. And then if you want to change the theme, so you can change it from here. So if I click on ellipse, and we have even more properties like background color. So from here you can change the background color. So changes is visible in the screen. Again click on ellipse and go to the background image. Like we change the background image selecting from stock image or uploading image from our system. Like if we go and insert a button from here. So click on that. So a new button will be inserted inside the app, and you can drag and drop this button according to your need. So on the top I have different properties, like I have the option to choose the font weight. If I insert a text input, the text will appear here on the screen, and from here we can also change the properties like background color. The control adapt based on what is currently selected. So there are different options here, and they are just here to help to us to find things quicker. So what is undo and redo? If I accidentally delete a button while building the app, so undo bring it back, and if I want to remove it again, so redo delete it again. Now again click on undo. And here we have the cut, copy and paste option, and you can connect the data from here. So on the right where we have the actions, so we can toggle on and off the properties pane from here. So where we configure more thing for the control that we insert in the app. And from here we can add a comment. So if you want to add a comment, so firstly save this app from here. So now it is saved. So you can easily add a comment from here. So you can easily add comment when you are building a Canvas app in Power App Studio. Use comments to help your team review the app and provide feedback, or provide additional information or implementation detail in your app. To allow other makers to add comments, make sure to share the app with them. And you can add comment to different component or pages. So first one is tree view. Select a screen from the tree view and right click on it, and you can add a new comment from here. And second one is component. In the Canva area, right click on a component to add a new comment. And third one is app action. Select comments and then click on new, and then add your comments here. And connect with other makers in your organization. As you collaborate on creating your app, you can tag people in the comment by using @ plus their name. Now click on it. And if you tag a maker that does not have access to your app, then you are prompted to share the app with them. And when someone tag you in a comment, you receive an email that let you know which app you are tagged in and the person who tagged you. So click on share and notify from here. And it also include the comments text and a direct link to that comment. So it is send it to the Vikalp Singh. Now click on app checker. So how we have app checker which help us to find formula errors, warnings and accessibility issues. Whenever a problem occurs, app checker shows us exactly where it is. So we can quickly navigate to that issue and fix it. And if you want to share your app with others, you can do that directly from here. When we click on preview, the app goes into play mode, allowing us to use it just like an end user would. Once we exit the play mode, we return to the editing mode. So when you play this app, we can also view as the different devices. So from here we can choose which device we want to simulate, and we can see how the app will behave on those devices. Or we can also change the orientation if we want, and we can see in the browser. Now go back to the play mode, and from here you can save your app once you create. Now click on the drop down menu. From here we can use save as to save the app with a new name, which create a new copy of the app. And we can also download a copy of the app. This download a file that can be imported later. For this menu, you can also publish the app to make your latest changes available to the user. So in this video, we covered modern command bar and actions in Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.